Lock and key mechanisms may seem simple, but there is interesting science behind how they work. Let's understand how a lock opens instantly with a key. Inside a lock, each chamber contains a spring and two pins. When these pins sit between the lock's cylinder, the lock remains closed. As soon as the correct key is inserted, the upper and lower pins align in a straight line. At that exact moment, turning the key allows the cylinder to rotate and the lock opens easily. However, if the wrong key is inserted, the pins do not line up properly, which prevents the lock from opening. But the question is, how does a safe or vault combination lock work? A safe lock has three main parts: the dial, the bolt, and the opening mechanism. When we rotate the dial on the outside, the driving wheel inside begins to rotate with it. The three internal wheels are connected to each other through small pins. Because of this, after several rotations, the driving wheel starts moving the first and second wheels as well. That is why before opening a safe, the dial is usually turned several times in the opposite direction. When the slot in the first wheel reaches its correct position, the dial is then turned in the opposite direction again. Once the slot in the second wheel reaches its correct point, the dial is turned in the opposite direction once more. When the slots of all three wheels align in a straight line, turning the handle moves the bolt and the safe opens.